Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fountainebleau, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move requires meticulous preparation. If you attempt the relocation of your new house on your own, many things may go wrong, including losing or damaging delicate goods in your bags. To prevent complications, choosing a moving company with extensive experience and expertise. We provide excellent long-distance services. Our movers in Fountainebleau treat your belongings with the utmost care and attention. We provide the most efficient moving trucks and equipment available. When you utilize our services, your belongings are in good hands. We also have all the required permissions to transport your belongings across long distances. Our customers can confirm that we are the most dependable local movers in Fountainebleau. Local movements, like long-distance relocations, require careful preparation, but they are less expensive. However, if you employ the wrong movers, you may not receive your money's worth. We provide the most inexpensive local moves, with rates ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. We receive lots of recommendations from local businesses because of our cheap moving labor prices. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fountainebleau moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.